Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can fix your Valorant stuck at 45%, 0.1 KB per second. We've all been there. So basically there's a few things that you need to do first. This might be a Wi-Fi issue or your router issue. So at first try restarting your router. If still that doesn't work, then just tap on this thing and just click on the right button on your mouse and then go to Task Manager. From there, go to Details. Now scroll all the way down until you see Riot UX.exe. Right click on this one, set priority, make sure this is high and then change priority. For some of you, the above normal should be fine. And make sure you put high at your own risk. And if it still doesn't work after that, maybe try end process tree. Click on this one and all of them would be turned off, and then just go back and try restarting Valorant, and then the problem should be solved for you. But if it still doesn't solve, then just be patient because a lot of times it is a server issue, and after some time it will start downloading again. So just be patient. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.